to this video in which I'm going to show you how to analyze a simple linear regression using STATA, as well as how to make scatter plot using link between two variables. So the simple linear regression is a statistical technique that is used when see the link relationship between two quantitative variables. A simple way to analyze the relationship between two variables. So to run linear regression in STATA, important to know first of all how to represent the relation between two variables and scatter plots. In this tutorial, we will show you an example of relationship between GDP growth, annual growth, and cross-fixed capital formation of private sector. So first of all, let us look at the plot. So to make a scatter plot of regression, let us go to graphics, two-way graph, and then at the line tesseract, click on it, and you have the opportunity to create your scatter plot. So click on create, and then choose scatter plot as default value. So select your y variable. My y variable here is GDP growth, annual growth, and my x variable is the cross-fixed capital formation for private sector. You can sort variable on x, so we will keep by default option, and then click on accept, and then click on OK. And you will see that our scatter plot is here appearing on the screen, representing relationship between annual GDP growth and the fixed capital formation in percentage of the GDP. So run the linear regression instead to see the relationship between the two variables, GDP growth and cross-fixed capital formation. Go in statistics, and then to select the dependent variable here is annual growth, GDP growth, and then independent variable here is cross-fixed capital formation. In case of multilinear regression, we can select more than one variable. So in this case, we'll select only one variable for the purpose of this video. So we can create the model without constant, suppress the constant term. So we keep this by default option. We click on OK, and we can see that our regression is here appearing in the screen. We have first of all the ANOVA result is stable. We have number of observation, there are 7 observations. We have Fisher 135 degree of freedom, while 9 the probability of Fisher is equal to 0.002. That our model are globally significant. We have the RR square, which is 0.2. So we have a model here, the coefficient of the regression, the coefficient of the capital formation is here equal to 0.61, and the p-value is 0.005, less than 5%, meaning that our variable cross-fixed capital formation influence significantly on the variable GDP growth. So the coefficient is positive, meaning that when the cross-fixed capital formation increase, the GDP growth increase too. And the 0.61 coefficient means that when cross-fixed capital formation increase in percentage of GDP increase by 1 unit, the GDP growth can increase by 0.61 units. So we also have possibility to make a prediction, the forecast of our series using a model. So to do so, we go in statistics, post estimation, and then go to prediction, and the SE leverage statistic, distance statistic. Then we click on it, and we can select the name of our new variable. We call it GDP growth forecast. And we click on OK. Our variable GDP growth has been forecast according to our model. So we can go in graph or scatter plot. So we select create our graph like previously. We go on line this time, not scatter, and then select our x variable that is here now, GDP growth forecast, and our x variable is cross-fixed capital formation, and then we click on accept, and then click on OK, and you can see that a scatter plot is appearing on your screen with regression line that show the relationship, and here this red line least square regression line. So that's it for this tutorial, and we hope they have very well helped you understand how to run a linear regression in STATA.